Dear students, let us learn about graphical method of solution of pair of linear equations. You know that when you represent a pair of linear equations graphically, either they intersect at one point or they are coincident or they are parallel. In this video, you are also going to learn about how to check whether the pair of linear equations have solution or not before doing the graph. So let us do an activity. This is an activity for you. I have given three pair of lines here. You have to fill this table, how much you can fill. You have to write the ratios and you have to compare the ratios and you have to do the graph. And here you have to write whether the graphs lines are intersecting or lines are coincident or lines are parallel. Let us see an first example. Compare these equations with the general form. Now see the value of a1 here. a1 is the coefficient of x. So in the first equation, coefficient of x is 2. So the value of a1 is 2. And coefficient of y is b1. So coefficient of y is 3. So b1 is equal to 3. And c1 is equal to minus 5. Compare second equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. When you compare, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to minus 6. Now write the ratios. You can write the ratios easily. See here. This is a1 by a2, 2 by 3. So a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to plus 3 by minus 2. You have to write the constants along with the signs. That is 3 by minus 2. That is also equal to minus 3 by 2. And c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 6. Minus by minus is plus, so 5 by 6. Now look at the second example. Compare with the general form. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 2 by 4. If you simplify this, that becomes 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is minus 5 by minus 10. That is 1 by 2. Okay, the third equation. Compare with the general form. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Simplify this. That is 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 6. That is 5 by 6. Now compare the ratios, whether they are equal or not equal. In the first example, here a1 by a2, it is not equal to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. In the second example, all the ratios are equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In the third example, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So let us represent these equations graphically. Take the first equation, 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. When you represent graphically, it comes like this. Here, see here, the two lines are intersecting at one point. This is the common point for both the lines. So it is a solution for the pair of linear equations. The point of intersection of two lines is the solution of the pair of linear equations. So in the first case, lines are intersecting at one point. So it has one solution. See the second graph for the second equation. Here you are seeing only one line because one line coincides with the other. So you can't distinguish two lines. How many common points the two lines have? There are many common points. This is the common point. These are all the common points. And each point is a common point for both the lines. So if the lines coincide with each other, then pair of linear equations have many solutions. The points which are common to both the lines are the solutions for the pair of linear equations. See the third graph. The lines are parallel. They never intersect at any point. So there is no common point for both the lines. This type of pair of linear equations have no solution because there is no common point for both the lines. So let us summarize this. For the first pair, graphical representation is the lines are intersecting. For the second pair, lines are coincident. For the third pair, lines are parallel. What is the algebraic interpretation of this graph? If the lines are intersecting, then pair of linear equation has only one solution. If the lines are coincident, then equations have infinitely many solutions. If the lines are parallel, then equations doesn't have any solution. That is no solution. That is the algebraic interpretation of the graph. Let us summarize the comparison of ratios and their graphical representation. See here, if the pair of linear equation represented by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are intersecting, then a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. No need of checking with c1 by c2 because these two are unequal. If the lines are coincident, then all the ratios are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If the lines are parallel, then A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. This is very important because if you know the relationship between the ratios and their algebraic interpretation, then before doing the graph only you can check whether the pair of linear equations have solution or doesn't have solution. If all the ratios are equal, then pair of linear equations are coincident. If first two ratios are equal and it is not equal to the third ratio, then the lines are parallel. If the first two ratios are unequal, then the lines are intersecting. Let us see what are consistent and inconsistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations which has no solutions is called inconsistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations which has solutions is called consistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations which has infinitely many solutions is called dependent pair of linear equations. Note that dependent pair of linear equations is always consistent. Consistent means which has solution. Inconsistent means which has no solution. And dependent means which has infinitely many solutions. Dependent pair of linear equations is always consistent. So let us solve related problems to this. Check whether the pair of linear equations x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 is consistent or not. If they are consistent, solve them graphically. Write the equation. Write this in the standard form. Before comparing with the general form, you have to write this in the standard form. That is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Compare with the general form, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Compare second equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 6. And a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 12. Now write the ratios. a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2, b1 by b2, 3 by minus 3. If you simplify, it is minus 1. c1 by c2, that is minus 6 by minus 12, it is equal to 1 by 2. See here, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, lines are intersecting and pair of equations are consistent, means which has solution. Here the lines are intersecting, so you will get only one solution. Let us find two solutions for both the equations. Write in this form so it is easiest for you to solve. X is equal to 6 minus 3y. Take any value for y. Here you can take any value for y. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6 minus 3 into 0. That is 6 minus 0. So x is equal to 6. If y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 6 minus 3 into 1. That is x is equal to 6 minus 3. That is x is equal to 3. See the second equation. Here 2x is equal to 12 plus 3y. If you take 3y to the right side, x is equal to 12 plus 3y. So x is equal to 12 plus 3y divided by 2. Here be careful. You have to check the value for y so that 12 plus 3y is divisible by 2. So that you will get integer as the answer. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 12 plus 3 into 0 by 2. 12 plus 0 by 2, that is 6. If y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 12 plus 3 into 2 by 2. X is equal to 12 plus 6 by 2, that is 18 by 2. X is equal to 9. If you feel this is a bigger number, you can take negative value for this. You can take minus 2 also for y. Let us summarize this and write in a table. We got two values, that is 6, 0 and 3, 1. And for the second equation, we got 6, 0 and 9, 2. These are the 2 points. Let us draw the graph. First point is 6, 0. Let us plot. It is here 6, 0 and 3, 1. 3 along the x-axis, 3 along the y-axis, 1. It's here. Join the points. And for the next equation, first point is 6, 0. It is already plotted. It is here. And 9, 2. It's here. Draw the line. Two lines are intersecting at one point, that is Here the value of x is 6 and value of y is 0. So solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. This is the way of finding solution of a pair of linear equation by graphical method.